All right, tomorrow night, it's our Lathe Cut release for Lattinum at No Fun. And we made 30 lathe cuts. That's 25 gold and gold ones, 4 red ones, and 1 clear one. That's what's playing right now. This is the A side. So, after all the various holdouts and people, greedy, there are 19 gold ones available for the show, 1 clear, and 1 red left. In a few days, there'll be 2 more golds available at GorbyLatheCuts.com or something like that. But today, we're going to mix them all up for tomorrow. But I am going to do a blind grab. I'll mix them up some more. I'm going to do a blind grab. And for Ryan, who's not going to be able to make it, and Jerry, because they're both very special collectors, and you know how that all goes. So, all mixed up. I have no idea where things are. I'm going to blind grab first for Ryan. How about this one right here? What color is it? You saw it. Ryan, you get the red one, the last red one. Holy shit. That means, Jerry, you're probably getting gold unless I can pick the one, number 1. What color is it, Jerry? Gold. Jerry, you get gold. Number 23. Holy shit, Ryan. You get number 5, the only red one. That means tomorrow night, there's 18 gold and 1 clear left. Come out and win the clear. It's a one of a kind. Ta-da!